We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this and we'll punch in the tool to take out the window switch cover just like that. Once the cover is pulled out, then we will take out the main plug right there. Press and hold the tab of the plug right there and then pull the plug outwards. There's the plug taken out and this separates the complete window switch cover. Now behind the window switch cover, notice there is one tab right there and then one tab right here, and we have to pull both of these tabs to take out the switch itself. To take it out, what I'll do is I'll push the switch from here, and while pushing it from underneath, I will push both the tabs, one from here and one from the other side. So again, I am pressing the switch from underneath, and while holding the switch from underneath, I will be pulling the tabs. Just like that, one tab is pulled out, and again from the other side. While keep holding the switch from behind, we'll pull the other tab as well. Just be a little careful in this process because while I was pulling both the tabs, the switch actually popped out aggressively. Make sure in your case you are taking it out in a way that it does not fall. There's that switch itself taken out. In my case, the switch is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new one and you want to install it back, we make sure that the cover and the switch, both of them, they match each other. So this portion is supposed to go on top. Just like that, we will install it, and while installing, just make sure the picture of glass is coming upside. For instance, if you're trying to install this way, this is the wrong way because the button could not be pressed down. You want to press the button down like this, just like that. Now again, to install it, it has these two tabs right here, and similar to those two tabs, the switch itself has one position right here and the other position right there. We'll make sure to install the switch down, keeping in mind those two positions. Once the switch is in place, then we will press it from both sides. It's in from right side. We'll give it a push from the left side as well. And just like that, the switch is installed. We make sure it is working from the front, and seems like it is. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the plug. The tab portion of the plug is supposed to go at the front just like that, and then we press the plug to a point until we hear a clicking sound. Plug is in. Now we will install the switch cover. Notice the cover has a slider right here which has to be slided right there, and from the bottom side it has a red color tab. It has to be inserted in that hole right there. So first we will punch in the slider portion. Notice it is in from the front, then we will press it down from the bottom side. Right there is a switch cover installed, and there we are done with our replacement process. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.